Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to solve this problem for the values of c if we have 8 to the power of c plus 2 to the power of c is equals to 130, and we solve this problem for the values of c. But here you remember one thing is that our c must be a real number. It means that we solve this problem for the real values of c only. Okay, so here the very first step we are going to do is first we need to write 8 into the prime factors form, and the prime factors of 8 are 2 cubed and its whole power c plus this is 2 to the power of c is equals to 130. And now here in the next step we apply here the exponent law. You know about that. If we have a to the power of m to the power of n, if you have exponent to the exponent in this form, then we just interchange these two exponents and it is always gives us the same answer. If you have m to the power of n or n to the power of n, these two are gives us the same answer. So according to this rule, here we just interchange these two exponents and it will be written as 2 to the power of c and its whole cubed plus 2 to the power of c is equals to 130. So here we convert this exponential equation into the cubic form. For this we need to take here x is equals to 2 to the power of c. So when you take x equals 2 to the power of c, now our above equation is written as x cubed plus x is equals to 130. And now in the next step we need to make the factors of this equation. So in order to make the factors of this equation, we just break its middle term. Now first we move 130 in the left hand side and it will be written as x cubed plus x is equals to minus 130, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now further in the next step, here we need to find any two numbers whose product is 130 and whose sum is 25, because here we just break the middle term. So we break here you see that the middle term is 1, so we break it as 26 minus 25 is equals to 1. And also we know that 130 is equals to 26 times of 5. 26 times of 5 is equals to 130, so that we can just put these two values here. And now we write this x as x cubed minus this is 25x and plus 25x. We break our x as minus 25 plus 26, and we write this minus 130 as 26 times of 5, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now here we need to take common x from the first two terms. So when you take common x, it will be written as x minus 25, and from here now we take common 26 and also we get x minus 5, and this whole equation equals to 0. From here we need to break this expression, and after breaking of this expression it will be written as x times of this will becomes here x square minus we write 25 as 5 square and plus 26 times of x minus 5, and this whole equation equals to 0. So here we apply the algebraic formula and we write these terms as x times of x minus 5 into x plus 5 and plus this is 26 into x minus 5, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now you see here from both of these terms we have x minus 5 be the common factor, so that we take it common and we get here x times of x plus 5, and here we get this is only 26, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as x minus 5 times of here we multiply this x on both of these terms, and it will be written as x square plus 5x plus this is 26, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x minus 5 equals to 0, and the second case is we write x square plus 5x plus 26 equals to 0. So here first we need to focus in the second case, and in second case we check that is this quadratic equation has real roots or not. For this we can apply the discriminant formula here, and now we first write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to 5, and c equals to 26, and we state the discriminant formula as delta equals to b square minus 4 times of a and c. And when we substitute the values of a, b and c here, it will be written as delta is equals to b square, so b is 5 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 26. And here we know that 5 square is equals to 25 minus 4 times of 26 is equals to 104. You see here 25 is a smaller number and 104 is greater number, so this means that these terms will gives us the negative value. It means that our delta is less than 0. So if our delta is less than 0, this means that this quadratic equation has no real roots. So if this quadratic equation has no real root, it means that it has complex roots, so that we rejected this case because we solved this case for only real roots. Okay, so here we can focus in the first case, and in first case we have x minus 5 equals to 0. We copy down here x minus 5 equals to 0, so here we get the value of x equals to 5. And now here if we move backward, and you see here we have our x is equals to 2 to the power of c, so that we will put the value of x here, so it will be written as 2 to the power of c is equals to 5. And here we solve this problem for the values of c. For this we need to take the log on both of the sides. So when you take log, it will be written as log of 2 to the power of c is equals to log of 5. And now we can apply the property of log, and we move the c in the front of this log, and it will becomes here c times of log 2 is equals to log of 5. And now we move log 2 to the right hand side, so it will be written as c is equals to log of 5 divided by log of 2. And when we divide these two values, then finally you get here the value of c is equals to log of 5 with base 2. So this is our final value of x in this problem. And now here in the next step we need to verify this value of c, and here we check that is this value of c is satisfied our given question statement or not. For this we need to copy down given question statement here, and it is a to the power of c plus 2 to the power of c is equals to 130. And here we put this value of c, and we check that is both of the sides are equal for this value or not. Here when you put this value here, it will be written as 8 to the power of c, and our c is equals to log of 5 with base 2. And similarly in this case we have 2 to the power of log of 5 with base 2, and we check that is this equals to 130 or not. So we write our 8 as 2 cubed, and its whole power is log of 5 with base 2. And from here we can apply the property of log, and you know that if we have a to the power of log b with base a, so this type of expression is equals to b only. Okay, according to this rule, here you see that this base and the base of log are same, so that these two are cancelled out by each other, and we will get here 5 only, and this is equals to 130. And here we multiply these two exponents, and it will be written as 2 to the power of 3 times of log 5 with base 2 and plus 5 is equals to 130. And here we move this 3 to the exponent of 5, and it will be written as 2 to the power of log of 5 cubed with base 2 and plus 5 equals to 130. And here you see that this is the log with base 2 and this is also base 2, so these are cancelled out by each other, and we obtain here 5 cubed only and plus this is 5 equals to 130. And we know that 5 cubed is equals to 125 plus 5 equals to 130. So this shows that 130 equals to 130. So this means that the value of c equals to log 5 with base 2 is satisfied our given question statement. And this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.